think I always was looking for answers, you know, and I think I always, as a consumer of music, I always like substance and lyrics and things that I could, things that meant something, things that maybe could help me. And as an artist, when I wanted to make my own, I was trying to find answers. Like my creative side was trying to piece together these other sides of me, like what was going on with my family, with my friends, with my relationship with my career. Like the creative side of me would come in and be like, maybe this means that, maybe what you're feeling means this, maybe, and like I said, there's like all these little like Easter eggs, I guess, throughout my catalog of me trying to figure it out. And so I think I was just naturally and am naturally a curious person and an ambitious person. And so like ambitious in the sense that I really want to figure out what is going on with me. Like I want to know why I think the way I think, where that came from. And I think in the past, it's funny when you're like, you're a confident man, et cetera, et cetera. I was omnipotent. And I've learned that that's not confidence, that's insecurity. And, because this is so multi-layered, but it's funny your shirt says imperfections because it really stems from me being a perfectionist, yeah. Right? So like me being a perfectionist, there's no room for me to not be right. There's no room for me to not know what, like not act like I know everything and what's going on. And I got being a perfectionist from like the standard that my dad set, which ended up becoming my own standard. So early on in my career, I had this omnipotence where like I knew everything I was doing was right. And I felt like I had to act like that because if you're a perfectionist, there is no room for criticism. Perfectionists are trying to run from criticism, and help is coded as criticism to a perfectionist. So I didn't want any help. And if you tried to help, I took it as a critique and it threatened my idea of being a perfectionist.